इलेक्ट्रिक कैपेसिटी, इलेक्ट्रिक मीन्स चार्ज एंड कैपेसिटी का मतलब हुआ क्षमता। पहले हम इन दो टर्म को समझने की कोशिश करते हैं। जैसे यहाँ आप देख रहे हैं ये एक गिलास रखा है जो खाली है। अब अगर इसमें हम पानी भरें तो जब ये गिलास पूरी तरह पानी से भर जाएगा तो उसके बाद और पानी भरने पर पानी बाहर बहने लगेगा। इसके बाद ये इस गिलास में और पानी नहीं आ सकता है। सो वी कैन से दैट देयर इज ए कैपेसिटी ऑफ दिस ग्लास टू होल्ड वाटर। सपोज इट्स कैपेसिटी इज 100 मिलीलीटर। इसके बाद जो भी पानी इसमें भरा जाएगा वो बाहर बह जाएगा। सो सिमिलरली इलेक्ट्रिक कैपेसिटी इज कैपेसिटी ऑफ ए कंडक्टर टू होल्ड चार्ज। Electric capacity of a conductor is its capacity to hold charge on its surface. There is another definition of capacity which is mathematical definition, लेकिन पहले हम ये क्षमता के रेफरेंस में, कैपेसिटी के रेफरेंस में समझने की कोशिश करते हैं। जैसे ये एक स्फेरिकल कंडक्टर है, देख रहे हैं आप, ये एक इंसुलेटिंग स्टैंड के ऊपर रखा हुआ है। दिस इज़ माउंटेड ऑन एन इंसुलेटिंग स्टैंड। दिस इज़ माउंटेड ऑन एन इंसुलेटिंग स्टैंड। नाउ सपोज यू गिव इट्स सम क्वांटिटी ऑफ प्लस क्यू चार्ज। इट्स इनिशियल पोटेंशियल वाज 0. नाउ एज इट गेन्स सम चार्ज इट्स पोटेंशियल विल इंक्रीज. After some time you give it more charge, its potential will goes on increasing, and there will be a condition when no more charge can be given to it. इसके बाद एक ऐसी स्थिति आएगी कि इसको हम और चार्ज नहीं दे सकते हैं। जो चार्ज देंगे, क्यों नहीं दे सकते हैं? क्योंकि जो पहले से चार्ज है वो इस आने वाले चार्ज को, इस चार्ज को रिपेल करेगा, और अगर हम चार्ज किसी तरह दे भी देते हैं तो चार्ज लीक ऑफ कर जाएगा। तो इसकी एक कैपेसिटी है चार्ज होल्ड करने की। ये एक फिजिक्स के टर्म में कैपेसिटी का मीनिंग हुआ। लेकिन अब हम इसको मेज़र कैसे करेंगे? सो कैपेसिटेंस और इलेक्ट्रिक कैपेसिटी ऑफ ए कंडक्टर और कैपेसिटर इज डिफाइंड एज द रेशियो ऑफ चार्ज गिवन टू इट and increase in its potential. Suppose by giving a charge q, its potential increases by v. जब हमने इसको q चार्ज दिया तो इसका पोटेंशियल कितना बढ़ गया? v. So this q is proportional to v. जितना चार्ज देंगे उतना पोटेंशियल बढ़ेगा, और q is equal to some constant c into v. This c is known as capacitance or capacity. C is a measurement of its capacity. C is equal to Q upon V. यहाँ एक टर्म आया है कैपेसिटर, जिसे हम आगे अभी पढ़ेंगे। कैपेसिटर में दो कंडक्टर हम लेते हैं। यहाँ हम एक सिंगल चार्ज स्फीयर को रेफरेंस लेके समझ रहे हैं। इट्स यूनिट इज कूलम पर वोल्ट. इट इज़ आल्सो रिटेन एज C डिवाइडेड बाई V, or c to the power c into v to the power -1. This is also known as farad, and it is written as capital F. Now farad is a very large unit, so there are smaller units. 1 microfarad is equal to 10 power -6 farad. 1 picofarad is equal to 10 power -12 farad. 1 nanofarad is equal to 10 power -9 farad. Now capacity of a spherical conductor of radius capital R. This is a spherical conductor of radius capital R. Suppose you give it a plus q charge and its potential becomes capital V. We know that V is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q by capital R, and C is equal to q upon V. So C is equal to 4 pi epsilon naught R. So this is formula for capacity of a spherical conductor. Epsilon naught is permittivity of free space, which is equal to 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12 coulomb square per Newton meter square. And we can from here this is new unit of epsilon naught, which is farad per meter, because epsilon naught is equal to C upon 4 pi r, and unit of C is farad and unit of r is meter. So another unit of epsilon naught is farad per meter. Now capacitor. A capacitor is a system of two conductors separated by a small distance, and space between the conductors is filled by dielectric material or substance. जो पंखों में कैपेसिटर लगे होते हैं वो इस तरह के होते हैं, देखे होंगे आपने, हम उन्हीं की बात कर रहे हैं. देयर आर मैनी टाइप्स ऑफ कैपेसिटर्स. उसमें एक टाइप ये भी है, इस तरह से बनी हुई डिज़ाइन दिखती है, इसमें दो वायर ऐसे निकले होते हैं और हम घरों में सीलिंग फैन में या फैंस में इस कैपेसिटर को यूज़ करते हैं. अभी तक हमने यहाँ क्या पढ़ा? सिंगल कंडक्टर, कैपेसिटी ऑफ सिंगल कंडक्टर. लेकिन कैपेसिटर में दो कंडक्टर्स होते हैं किसी भी शेप के, पैरेलल, सिलेंड्रिकल, स्फेरिकल. तो समझने के लिए, जैसे सपोज हियर आर टू कंडक्टर्स placed at a distance, small distance d, and space between the conductors is filled by a dielectric material. One conductor is connected to positive terminal of battery and other to negative terminal of battery. And suppose here charge on one conductor is plus q1 and potential plus v1. Charge on second conductor is minus q2 and potential minus v2. Now simplest capacitor is parallel plate capacitor. In parallel plate capacitor there are two parallel plates, metallic sheets parallel to each other, and they are kept at a small distance. So first we will try to understand air filled capacitor. These are two plates. These plates are at a small distance. One plate is connected to positive terminal of battery, second plate is connected to negative terminal of battery. In this way first plate becomes positively charged and second becomes negatively charged. This is symbol for capacitor. Two equal parallel lines. Symbol for cell is like this. One line is large and other line is small. This is plus, this is minus, but symbol for capacitor is like this. Now let us derive a formula for capacity of a parallel plate capacitor, air filled parallel plate capacitor. So this is a parallel plate capacitor. Area of each plate is A and distance between the plates is small d. One plate is connected to positive terminal of battery, other to negative. In this way inner side of this plate becomes positively charged and this becomes inner side of second plate becomes negatively charged. Now surface charge density of first plate is plus sigma and of second plate is minus sigma. Now field between the plates is uniform, but at the edges field lines will be like this. Now what is electric field intensity between the plates? We know that electric field intensity near a charged plate is sigma upon 2 epsilon naught. So electric field intensity due to this positively charged plate E1 is equal to sigma upon 2 epsilon naught, and direction is from positive to negative plate, and due to negative plate E2 is equal to sigma upon 2 epsilon naught. Now these two fields are equal and in the same direction, so net field between the plates will be equal to sigma upon epsilon naught. अब ये देखते हैं कि पैरेलल प्लेट कैपेसिटर के बाहर के रीजन में फील्ड क्या है, तो पहले ये रीजन लेते हैं। यहाँ देखें, ड्यू टू प्लस प्लेट इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इस डायरेक्शन में, ड्यू टू माइनस प्लेट डायरेक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इज अपोजिट, दे आर इक्वल एंड अपोजिट, therefore net field at region 1 is 0. Similarly, net field at region 3 is also 0. Now here field lines are curved. This is called fringing. Our formula is true only when distance between the plates is very small and area of plate is large. Now let potential difference between the plates is capital V. Now electric field intensity E is also equal to V upon D, where D is distance between the plates. So V is equal to E into D, and we have just established that electric field intensity between the plates due to sigma in terms of charge density, it is equal to sigma upon epsilon naught. Now charge on each plate is Q. In plate 1 is plus Q1 plus Q, and in plate 2 is minus Q. So for this we say that charge on capacitor is Q. Now surface charge density sigma is equal to Q upon A. So Q is equal to sigma into A. Now by first and second, from first and second, V is equal to sigma D upon epsilon naught. V is equal to E into D, and E is equal to sigma upon epsilon naught. Put the value of E from second in first. So V is equal to sigma D upon epsilon naught. Now from third, sigma is equal to Q upon A. So V is equal to QD upon epsilon naught A. Now capacity C is equal to Q upon V. Hence C is equal to Q upon QD upon A epsilon naught, and hence C is equal to epsilon naught A upon D, where epsilon naught is permittivity of free space or air. So capacity is directly proportional to area of plates and inversely proportional to distance between the plates. This is the reason why distance between the plates is kept small. If D is small, C will be large.